Hi, welcome to this video. Today's video we are going to evaluate this nice expression of limit. We have cube root of x minus 1 over x over square root of x minus 1 when x is approaching to number 1. Let's calculate this limit first by plugging number 1 into our fraction to see what's the limit, okay? So first thing, limit of cube root of x minus 1 over square root of x minus 1 when x is approaching to number 1. This one is giving us 1 cube minus 1 over 1 square root of 1 minus 1, which is 0 over 0. This is indeterminate form. We cannot leave our limits like this. We have to change another form in order to find this limit, okay? So let's start with another method. Let's put x, there is 1 over 6 as a power, equal t as a substitution, okay? So let's calculate t squared. T squared is giving us x 1 over 6, the power of 2. We are applying this rule. We have a to n and 2m equal a, the power n multiplied by m. That's what I'm applying here, which is x 1 over 6 multiplied by 2, which is x 1 over 3 as a power, which is square cube, okay, cube root of x. So t squared gives you this one, which is this one. We can plug in this one, change this one as a substitution, but we need square root of x. How to find it? Let's put t the power of 3, t to 3 equal what? Equal t squared multiplied by t. T squared we already know it, which is x the power of 1 over 3. With t we already put it as a substitution, which is x the power 6. We are applying this rule, the second equation. A the power a to n multiplied by a to m equal a the power of the sum n plus m. So our x equal 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6 as a power, okay, equal x. If you calculate this one, it is giving you 1 over 2, which is square root of x, okay? Now we found it. So this one's square root of x equal t to 3, okay? So let's start calculating our limit now. Our limit become x the cube minus 1 over square root of x minus 1 when x is approaching to number 1. Let's plug in this one, first one, which is t squared, okay, minus 1 over t the power 3 minus 1. So let's apply the third equation as a formula. So this one gives you a minus b factor a plus b, which is a minus 1 factor t plus 1, the bottom one on the bottom, t the power of 3, t to 3 minus 1, t to this one. Let's apply the fourth equation here to make it more easier. So it becomes t minus 1 factor t squared plus t plus 1. So all the positive after, because we have a negative sign here, the others become positive. Okay, if you take a look at here, you see t squared plus t, this is minus like n minus 1. If you have t the power n, if you have t the power n, t the n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 is okay. So this later on we will prove this one, okay? So at this time, so our limit now is a t minus 1 factor t plus 1 over t minus 1 factor t squared plus t plus 1 is always here. We have to change t x to t because the first equation we have x. When x is approaching to 1, and then we have this one, we have x. Let's make it very clear and understood. X 1 over 6 equal t. When x, if x equal 1, that's mean t equal 1 as well, okay? So this t approaching to 1 too, okay? Let's cancel out this one, these terms. So t plus 1 over t squared plus t plus 1. Now our limit is going to be solved. So let's plug in now. Let's plug in. Don't forget the limits. We should do the limits. Okay, t plus 1 over t squared plus t plus 1 when t approach 1. Okay. Now I'm going to plug in into our limit. So limit of t plus 1 over t squared plus t plus 1 when t approach number 1. So equal 1 plus 1 over 1 squared plus 1 plus 1, which is 2 over 3. So our limit is solved. Okay. There is a value. Okay. 2 over 3. Thank you for watching. I see you in next video. Bye.